Press and hold 3 seconds to turn on the machine. Press drop icon and machine will start filling. Drop begins to glow blue and move below to up. At right of the screen, blue fields show water filling amount. Red drops move below to up, indicates tank and boiler water temperature in this product is heating up. When machine is ready, drops will be white. Press the drops, machine start to wash, and during the process green drops move left to right. You can see remaining time and washing and rinsing temperatures on the screen. To drain the water in your machine, approve the drain plug is removed. Drain will start and blue drops move up and down while draining. You can enter parameter settings menu by pressing adjustment icon and entering the password. You are able to change lots of adjustments to control your dishwasher. You can adjust each washing program's washing, rinsing times and temperatures. You can adjust rinse aid and detergent time from the screen. Many more settings related to your machine can be made from this menu.